Okay, well, hello there. We're going to try something different this time, Father B. I'm going to do it in a video for you. So I'm going to try to walk you through real quickly, so this video isn't too long, to show you how to embed some videos. You can see where I've embedded these two. One of these is a YouTube video, the top one, and the bottom one, I believe, was a Facebook video. So I'm going to do a video for you now to show you how to embed a YouTube video, and I might do the embedding for the Facebook video in a separate video tutorial, but if I do this quick enough, maybe I'll do it all in one. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. All right, so we're on this page. So the first thing we want to do is go to the video you want to embed. So before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and click Edit Page so that I'm in the Edit Page here. All right, now I've already got the YouTube page open, so let's say we want to embed. I'm just going to go ahead for these purposes right now. We're going to embed this Rising to the Occasion sermon video, which you've already put a link in there, I've noticed, but I want to go ahead and embed it in the bottom temporarily just so you can see how I did it. So I'm going to click on this video, go to it, and I want to pause it because we don't need to watch it right now. We're going to go to Share. This is really easy. We're going to hit Share, and we're going to go to Embed. And you see with your Embed function, you've got this script right over here on the right, iframe script. You want to copy that where it says iframe all the way to the bottom where it says \iframe, and that's the end of it. Don't worry about starting at and stuff like that, although you can do that if you want to start a video later, if there's like some setup time you want to cut out of the front. We can talk about that at another time. Anyway, I'm not going to change anything. We're going to do show player controls and not going to do a start at. And I'm going to copy that script. I'm going to hit Command C or copy, either way. All right, I'm going to close that. Now we're going to go back to the page. Now what we're going to do here is, because we've copied an HTML script, we have to go to text edit. So go to your text editor, and we're going to leave the visual edit and go to text, where we're going to see nothing but code. All right, so we are going to go to the very bottom right now, because you see where this Nesbit is, this ampersand NBSP. That's a space, basically. That's a HTML for space. I'm going to just do a couple of returns, and I'm going to paste the iframe text that we copied right there. Now if I go to visual, there it is. You'll see it showing up at the bottom. It's as simple as that. And it's really that simple. Now if I want to put a ruler there, you know, there's a horizontal rule line right here. I do that a lot, you probably noticed, just to make sure people can separate things. Now we'll preview the changes, just see how that looks. And there it is. There's your YouTube video inserted. I don't know if you want me to keep that in there or not. I'm gonna delete it for right now because you've already got a link for it up here. But let me know if you want to do anything. But now that you see how to do that, you can know what to do. Now when you're moving a video around, I mean, you can try to drag it and do it this way, but the better thing to do is move it within the text. See, you can see where I put the hard rule in right here. That's the HTML code for when I clicked and put that hard rule in. And there's your text there. So, you know, if you want to try to get used to moving things around, and these HRs are all the hard rules, that helps me also just know where each block of something is. Anyway, that's how you embed that video. Now I'm going to stop this, and I'm going to do a separate video for Facebook embedding, because there's one more step with it, because it has code that is a little different, and you can set for some other things. So stay tuned for a second video tutorial on that.